In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a business app without any coding in Jotform. If you've ever wanted to create an app but felt daunted by the thought of needing programming skills, you're in the right place. Jotform makes it incredibly simple, and I'm here to walk you through the steps to get your app up and running. First things first, open your preferred web browser and type Jotform into the search bar. Jotform is a fantastic tool for creating forms, apps, and more, and it's where we'll be doing all our work today. Once the home page loads, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Just take a moment to set one up. It's free and painless. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in what Jotform calls My Workspace. From there, look for the drop-down menu and select My Apps. This is where all the magic happens. When you're ready to dive in, click on Create App. Jotform delights in providing options, so you'll be asked how you'd like to start. You can dive in headfirst by starting from scratch. Utilize a template if you want a little guidance. Build a store if e-commerce is your focus, or even clone an existing app if you're looking to replicate something you've already seen. With the groundwork laid, it's time to personalize your app. This is your chance to unleash your creativity by adding various elements. On the left-hand panel, you'll notice a plethora of choices, such as forms, pages, images, videos, text, buttons, links, and widgets. You can simply drag them from the panel and drop them onto your app layout. This is what makes Jotform so user-friendly. There's no coding involved, just drag and drop. If you've got specific features in mind, this is the ideal time to incorporate them and give your app the functionality you need. Now that your app is coming together, take a moment to adjust the app settings. You can fine-tune privacy options and access permissions to ensure that the right people have access. Additionally, Jotform allows for integration with other business tools, making your app even more powerful and connected to your existing workflows. Finally, your app is ready for the world to see. Sharing your app with your target audience is as simple as choosing the right methods. Jotform offers various sharing options, ensuring that you can reach your audience in whatever way suits them best, whether through social media, emails, or direct links. And there you have it. With Jotform, creating a business app is as straightforward as can be, with no coding needed. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to create your own app. Thanks for watching, and happy app building.